Hey everyone, it's Ratgirl, and you're watching, I believe, episode 6 of Let's Test This Mold. I guess you could put anything in here. This is gonna be quite the challenge. Oh my gosh, I do not have enough concrete for this. I'm gonna have to buy some more gray matter. This is wiping me out. For those that haven't been following along with this little collection of videos, to test out what Etsy has to offer, what kind of silicones are out there, because we do make our own molds. For example, we have this curb incense here. This is from Excess Silicone, and I don't need the most beautiful stuff, but for you, you don't get a mold that looks like this. This is kind of like the grunt of the molds. I don't need it to be bougie. Like this one, the collaboration with Concrete Cat. Yeah, let's just go through a few review. I had this one, super cheap plastic, but it turned out sweet. And yeah, little things like that. That's what this series is about. We're doing this. Do you know what you're looking at? This is a planter. Just a classic planter for your plants, for your herbs. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna be a lot of concrete though, everyone. And the thing that stresses me out a bit about this mold is like, you see how like not a lot of thickness is right here, and that's supposedly the bottom. So it's gonna have to be overfilled, I think. Something we don't often do is put extra aggregates on this channel. We usually just stick to our gray matter because our gray matter is super strong. What do I use? I do have some leftover black matter and pink matter. So I'm gonna use some pink matter. Let's do pink matter. Like I say in most of the videos that I do, or that I participate in with Mr. Concrete, I just add pink to everything. Look at my table, it's pink. I don't know why. It's just everywhere. It's so calming. I think that's what it is. Wow. When you finish one of these bags, you just like take a moment and you're like, I did so much with this. I probably made like, this was big, 2.5 kg. I probably made like 10 little objects. That was really worth it. Let's do yellow. I think that's all I want. I think I just want classic gray, yellow, and pink. That's what's up. We're going too crazy on colors today. Our previous videos, we did like this like rainbow warm, and that was a lot. That was a lot of colors. So this is more so about adding in some little aggregate. And you know, you could put anything. Like you can add rocks to our mix if you want. Once in a while, I like to just use our gray. Like we chose this tone of gray in coordination with the way we pigment. So our color mixing guide on our website is accurate. It's for this concrete. So if you're using, I don't know, Canadian Tire, Home Depot concrete, and you're like, oh, let's go on concrete and try to pigment like they do, it won't be the same because concrete has different colors. We've previously spoken about what color concrete is to you, and some people from all over the world, some people said brown, some people said red. I don't even think I'm gonna focus too hard on like patterning, because it's a little tough like that, but I do want like pink all over the place. Oh my gosh, I do not have enough concrete for this. We set up our cure time to have room for little windows like this where you run out of concrete. It's totally normal. More! Oh my gosh. We're using the whole bag. Screw it. I think I'm gonna finish it with black, everyone. I am gonna be honest, I ran out. I don't know. That's not a lot of concrete. We need more because look, like that's not, do you see that? Like that's not deep enough. It's not gonna be strong. I'll see you when it demolds, but I'm gonna wait a long time. Like this is a pretty big mold. There's a lot of concrete that went down into this. I'm back. I waited 6 hours and look at what we did together. It's hard to see like the colors through this. See that? Ooh. Can I give you a sneak peek? Do you see that? Am I going at this wrong? Oh, sweet. It's like, really have to knock it. Well, turns out it's a box, but I really like the way the colors turned out. The bottom is kind of nice. Like, I don't need to sand this because it adds grip, right? Like, it keeps it in place. But like, there is these cool slots here. Take the lid that I actually didn't fully cast because I ran out of concrete. Like, I'm missing some of the edge here for it to slide in. It's basically like a domino box. You remember those? Like, it's a domino box. Can't go in though. But I'm gonna make a new one when I get more concrete. It did not take much. And it'll fit. It'll work. It's sealed because it's the new mold. So like, it's got this really wicked shine on it. I don't really have to seal it, but I still will. So because the mold was super thin, like, it needed to be reinforced. So I did. I put 2 bottles and it still didn't do the trick. Thank gosh, this side's okay. It does not affect the inside, but the outside, I hope this is a good angle. You see that it's like bloated. Still kind of cool. It doesn't affect the lid. So I'll make a new one. And it's even got a little thumb thing here. Yeah. Thanks for watching.